Hey, this is Irma from Food for Healthy Bones, and now I'm going to try to decompress something that's a little confusing, which is the codes on produce. They're called PLUs, or product lookup codes. We're going to break this down, and I'm going to help you identify which is organic and which is conventional foods. This information comes from paleohacks.com. We're speaking about PLU, price lookup code. Since 1990, PLU codes have been assigned by the International Federation for Produce Standards, IFPS. Why? To make inventory control and checkout easier, faster, and more accurate. So what exactly does the PLU code tell us? The numbers identify the produce. For example, an apple isn't just an apple and an orange isn't just an orange. Produce is grown from the ground, and there are many ways to do this, as well as tons of locations where produce originates. PLU codes distinguish things like size, growing method, organic versus conventional, type of commodity, example apple, and variety, Fuji apple, pink lady apple. These numbers are randomly assigned, meaning that each digit doesn't code for something specifically. But if the sticker has 4 digits and is in the 3,000 to 4,999 range, the item was conventionally grown. Conventionally means in a traditional way according to industrial agriculture, not traditional way of growing food. Industrial agriculture, which includes the use of pesticides, chemical fertilizers to promote growth, and chemical herbicides for weed maintenance. Produce with a prefix 9 will have 5 digits, and the 9 is tacked onto the beginning of the 4-digit identifier, and that means the item was grown organically. Organic farming differs from conventional farming in a few ways. Compost and manure are used instead of chemical fertilizers. Insects and birds, mating disruption and/or traps are used in place of synthetic pesticides. Crop rotation, hand weeding, or mulches are used instead of synthetic herbicides. What if the PLU code has more than 5 digits? A sticker with more than 5 digits also means that the number isn't a part of the international standardized system. For example, if the sticker is 6 digits long, though it may have a label, there is no guarantee where the item came from or what the item is. Is it required to label produce with PLU codes? No. The system is voluntary and is not regulated by a government agency. But PLU stickers are usually required by the retail industry and are used based on business needs to identify point of sale. So when we're looking for organic food, we want to look for the PLU code that begins with a 9, and conventional is a 4-digit code that starts with either a 3 or a 4. So that's it. I hope this helps you with your shopping experience when you're looking at produce, and you can be a wiser shopper. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.